Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make cool transition and fast slot roll transition in your cinematic video, using Kinemaster. So let's get started. Open Kinemaster, select New Project, and select 16:9 aspect ratio. Select Video Clip. Now follow the video. I will cut the video, to make it short clip. Select Layer, then Overlay, and select Cinematic Frame. Choose one of those frame and then click OK. Adjust this layer until the end of clip. Now select Transition Effect, and choose Slot Roll. Then select one of those transition and adjust the duration to make it faster. Then select OK. Do the same thing to other transition effect. Please continue watching the video. Now add music, and trim it. Then export the project. I hope you learned something in this video. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Thanks for watching.